Best time of the year. Drew likes summer because of the hot sun and blue sky. He can unzip his coat. He can take off his hat. Read the story. Highlight the two words that have the same vowel sound as clue. Unlike Drew, Sue picks winter. This sentence makes her laugh. It will snow 10 inches. She unpacks her snowsuit. Underline the two words with prefixes. Newt likes spring because that's when things regrow. The fruit trees start to bud. Then the buds start to open. Highlight the two words that have the same vowel sound as clue.